I am Alton Walker. I am a Unity Health ambassador. I'm a graphic designer / photographer. I do graphics, artwork, painting, and I also do photography for athletic events and local events around Jackson County. My experience at Unity Health, I was having difficulty, which I thought was symptoms of the flu or maybe pneumonia. And I was attending my Newport New Vision class meeting, our monthly meeting, and it just so happened to be at Unity Health. And I was having difficulty breathing, and I was beginning to cough quite a bit. And I walked outside to try and catch my breath or get some fresh air. And as I began to walk towards the emergency room, I was having more and more difficulty breathing. By the time I made it to the emergency room, I collapsed in a chair. I couldn't walk, couldn't talk, and I couldn't breathe. And then next thing I know, there was 5 or 6 doctors around there. Everybody was doing what they're supposed to do to try and get me calm and stabilized. And about 15 minutes later, they finally got my breathing to a normal and stable level, and then they started testing. They found out that I had 7 blockages. 3 of them was 99% blocked, 3 of them was 80% blocked, and 1 70%. So they did an analysis and said that stents wasn't an option, that it was going to have to be bypass surgery. And at that point, I thought that I was having, complications to the flu or pneumonia, and then everything just hit me like a bag of bricks, that it was to that, to that level. Their professionalism and their knowledge of what they were doing and how they conveyed that knowledge over to me helped calm the situation a lot. I have so much admiration for Unity Health because they get to witness people at their worst, but they still remain professional and caring and knowledgeable of what they're doing. It was always a tough time, but then we also had the confidence in knowing that our Lord God was in control, and He was working through the doctors and the administration and the nurses there to provide the health care that we needed. I replay that moment over and over again in my head, and I thank God that I was at Unity Health on that particular day and time.